So let this be a quick update here on price action of Bitcoin, because just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin is showing weakness. Bitcoin looks like getting attracted towards the next area of confluence, and only after that it's going to decide the direction. So this video is definitely going to be one interesting one. So please guys, please watch it till the end, and this try the like button now, not at the end. Thank you very much. Now what I want you guys to do is to monitor this rising wedge in a daily time frame, because since couple of days we have been monitoring this price movement. I showed you each and every time whenever price tested the support from this lower trend line, we had a very nice rally. Price also formed a new higher highs, higher lows type of formation. You can see higher highs, higher lows type of formation. But if you look at it right now, the support got broken and Bitcoin also formed a new lower low, which is definitely a sign of weakness. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. This pullback here has marked a new lower low for Bitcoin, which means that we must prepare ourselves for a continuation that might look somehow like this after losing the most important support, which you have around 110, 112,000. I mean, now after forming a lower low, we might see another relief rally in the medium short term, but this could be a dead cat bounce type of formation. Bitcoin getting attracted towards the 0.5, 0.6 Fibonacci line, and then a continuation of an downtrend. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if Bitcoin, after finding support around 110, 112,000, shows a relief rally, please be careful. We must overcome above 118,000. Otherwise, this rally will be just a temporary rally, and price after that is going to follow the original direction, because we know if the worst case scenario plays out for Bitcoin, not just only 106,000, the first bearish target from our leading indicator, even the 100,000 target will come back to life. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. I showed you this. Bitcoin in a weekly time frame is following a continuation, higher highs, higher lows continuation. Each and every time price found support at the lower trend line, it resulted in a bullish continuation. But if you look in our case, Bitcoin hasn't touched the upper trend line, because in past price action, only after testing the upper trend line, we had an actual bearish continuation. So in our case, if you look at it carefully, you can see the upper trend line is still open. So what could be happening here? Before expecting a rally to the upside, first we might come for a retest around this lower trend line, and only after that a blow off top type of formation. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. If Bitcoin loses the support which we have around 110, 112,000, unfortunately we must look for a bearish target around our first S1 line from this leading indicator, which is around 106,000, and in the worst case even the lower trend line from this rising channel. But even if this bearish continuation plays out and Bitcoin gets attracted on 106, even up to 100,000, you know, guys, in a bigger picture, that could be a great buying opportunity, and the blow off top will only happen after that. Yes, guys, after getting attracted towards this curve line, I personally think the price of Bitcoin could turn very bullish. But if that scenario plays out, I don't want you to panic, guys. Please zoom out, because a pullback around 106, even up to 100,000, doesn't mean we are bearish. That could be one of the best buying opportunity if we simply zoom out, and price of Bitcoin after that could follow the parabolic curve pattern as shown here in an example. I mean, this pullback will be a formation of base 4, and right after that you can see a sell point or a blow off top type of formation. So that's why I personally think if Bitcoin shows weakness, gets attracted to 106, even up to 100,000, even in the worst case, that will be a buying opportunity, because I showed you guys this fractal which resulted in price forming a new higher high. I mean, we had a double top type of formation, right, which later resulted in a corrective move, but this corrective move ended after testing the support from this horizontal trend line, previous temporary resistance line, and right after that we had a very, very bullish move, right? You can see here. So what I'm trying to show you here is that Bitcoin right now could be showing us a very, very similar move. This is our double top type of formation, just like what happened here, right? And now this could be a final pullback towards the previous resistance line, and after that a continuation of an uptrend. Yes guys, just like what happened here in the past price action, after getting attracted to a certain key line, Bitcoin could be giving us a great buying opportunity. And if we see price doing this move, then you can see parallelly it will line up perfectly with this base 4, and after base 4, you know, we will be heading towards this sell point, which will also mark a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that in the medium short term, Bitcoin looks weak. The same trend line which during uptrend acted as support will be acting as resistance. Yes guys, now the same trend line, the Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, which during uptrend acted as support, will be acting as resistance because the price is below it. So what does this mean? Any sort of a relief rally, just like what I showed you here with this dead cat bounce, right? It will be just a temporary rally, and price after that could show a continuation to the downside, because beside the bearish signal from these indicators, I mean CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator, even the indicators like RSI is bearish, MACD is bearish. I mean, this is a bearish divergence. MACD is also forming a bearish cross. So you can see indicators are clearly showing weakness. And parallelly, if you look at the ETF flow table, you can see Bitcoin ETF flow table. Since couple of days, we are seeing more outflows than inflows. I mean BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise, Grayscale, they are offloading their holdings. You can see clearly negative outflow, right? So that's why guys, that's why we need to be careful, because this is adding more selling pressure in the market, which could also put the price of Bitcoin in another bearish continuation path. If we zoom out, even if the worst case starts playing out, not just selling around 106, even up to 100,000, even in that case, you know, if you zoom out, that will be a great buying opportunity. So please do not let this chart fool you. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free bonus from Bybit around $30,050, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.